Hi, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. All right, if you're seeing me for the first time, meet me. I am Ene Tina. All right, in this channel, we learn how to read and write. Yeah, it's the adult education, and it's not probably for only adults. You can teach your child through this platform. Please make sure to subscribe so you got to know whenever I post a new video. So you got to follow me and follow the lesson step by step. Right, so in our previous class, we were able to walk through this. We read them out, we pronounced them, and I gave you an assignment to do. Like, this was the consonant vowel, and I asked you to place it the other way around, the vowel consonant. Okay, I hope you did that. So if you have it, it should be placed side by side. Like I said, this should be written one side, whereas the other one should come to the next side. And again, I made mention of this. Sometimes it can come consonant, consonant. Okay, so if you're just joining, watch the previous video so you get to know how it's that. That's lesson 1. So now let's proceed for today's business. All right, today we're going to be forming words. Yeah, we're going to be forming probably 3-letter words, 4-letter words. Okay, already if we are to look for 2-letter words, most of the 2-letter words are already here. All right, most of the 2-letter words you're supposed to get are already here, or the other way around, they are there. Okay, so for example, if you want in, you have the this transformed the other way, in. You want the up, this transformed the other way, up. You want the go, is there. You want the if, this transformed the other way around, is if. That's why I said we need to do this like this, like the other way around. BA should come AB, you know, GA should come IG, you know, that's that. So let's proceed. Okay, so what formation for today is gonna be 3-letter and 4-letter basically for today. We don't want to go lengthy for a start, but as we progress, we're going to be having more than 3 and 4 word formation. And as we are going to be producing these words, we are going to be stressing them so we can easily pronounce them. Okay, so let's start right away. Now for the first word we're going to be forming today, where should we pick from? Let's pick the ba. Okay, I want to form 3-letter words. I take ba for there. This is BA, which is the ba, and the BA, which is the ba. And I want to pick one letter to make it a word. Okay, so if I add T to this is what? Bat. Bat. And if I add R, it is ba. Ba. Like ba in a bar. And if I say let me add Y, it is B, like B. A, the B. And if I say let me add G, bag, the G sound, bag. If I'm adding what? D, it is bad. D, bad. Bad. If I'm adding M, it is bam, the me sound, bam, bam. And if I want to add the ni sound, it is what? Ban. And if I choose to add they say what should we choose now? Maybe we can choose what should we choose now? Okay, maybe we choose okay, let's choose, okay, we've choose R. Okay, still R is bar. Okay, so that's that for 3-letter word, but let's just take few. Say I add G here, that's a bag. and add by again, add say R, that's bar, and make sure to add at least 5 letters in your working math in your notebook, so that you get other 3 letters that relate to bar. Okay, are you following? So let's see again. Now for instance, we want to take say the G sound. Like I told you, this is G or G, G, G. Well, now that it has extra, it's G. Okay, when it was alone, it was G, G, very short. Now it has extra, that is the I, it's now G. Okay, and when it has O, it is go, like go, go, go sound. When it was just G, it was G or G. Now it's G, G, go, go sound. Okay, now this GI, the G, let's take the G for now. For example, I can say G, GI. I want us to work to this G to get to sound. Okay, now I want to say G. If I add ES, okay, let's maintain 3 for now. I can add what to give me something. I want to get the G sound. I can add the N, N, and that's going to give me Jean. The G sound is there. Okay, that's Jean, not the G sound. Now, if I want to get the G sound now, let's say the G, this is the G sound. Now I can add something here to make it a 3-letter word. Say I can add gib, can add B, this is gib. Okay, now you can have ga per se, and you can choose to have this is ga. You want to pick, what should we pick to add to this to give us a word? Let's pick letter S, because for now we're working with, we want to focus 3 letters for now. If I add S here, is what? Gas, gas. Okay, this is G, G, G. This is, okay, for here we have the G, the G. This is G, Gin. We added N and we maintain the G. We added B, we maintain the G. Okay, and this is gas. Okay, G, ga, gas. Okay, now we want to say the gu. This is goose, gu here, and we can add say, if we add N, it gives us what? This is gu, ni, gun, gun. That is gun. And then we're having gun, like gun. And if we choose to add say M, we'll be having gum. This is the ni, me, ni, and me sound. Okay, like I said before, the A, the A, the B, B, C, C, D, 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 like that. Alright, the F, the G, G, the H, H, the I, E, the K, K, okay, the L, the L, the M, the N, the me, the N, the N, the P, P, the Q, the Q, Q sound, the R, the R, the S, the C sound, the T, the T, T. This is V, V, V sound, the W, the W, 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 W sound. This is wa, we, wo, wo. Okay, and this is which one? This is ya. This is yi. Yi sound, which is the Y, the yi sound. This is ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Alright, so now again, should we pick one? Let's pick the PA, which is the pa. This is pa, and this is pa. We can put what can we add here to get 3-letter word? Maybe we choose if you add T, you got pat, pat, pat. you have here ba with this G, you have bag. If you put G here, it's going to be bag, pag, pag. And if you put R, it's going to be pa, pa, just like we have bar. If this happens to be, let's assume we change this to C, which is still a car sound, we're going to be having what? Car. Okay, this is car. And if we decide to change it again to say F sound, this is the fa. Have you seen how the thing is going now? This is how it works. Okay, so we've been able to get some 3-letter words. Now let's try 4. Okay, let's try 4 before we go back again. Now for 4-letter word, let's choose M-O. You have M-O, which is the mo sound. Okay, we have the mo sound. Okay, what should we add now? We can add VE, that's move, like move. This is VE, move, in form of movement. Okay, and again we can choose ME, which is the me sound. Me, this is me, this is me, me, me. Okay, now for this me, I can add you can add LK. It's gonna be milk, milk, milk. Okay, milk, the LK, milk. This is milk, milk. Okay, and we can say again, if we have me sound and we can add NI, the ni. This is me, ni. This is gonna be mini, me, ni. Okay, mini, like minimize, mini. Okay, mini. Now we can pick again. Let's pick can we pick okay, let's pick FO. We can have FO, and we can add should we pick from here or should we do the reverse case? We can actually do the reverse case. Okay, let's take one reverse case. You know what I mean by reverse case? Like placing it the other way around. So can you give me one thing you have there in your reverse case so I can use it to do this very well? Okay, anyone at all? The L, this is L. I want to change L the other way around, which is take this to this. That is OL instead of LO. So that's going to give me OL here. And that's what? Fool. Okay? Fool. Fool, foolish. Fool, foolish. Okay. So we have fool. That's why I said you should take it the other way around. So we got to make good use of these letters. Now let's pick this R, the R sound. This is LA, sorry, the RA, and this is RA. We can put what should we go the other way around, or should we work like this? Okay, let's take this. Should we take that, or should we go for, no, let's take another one. Okay, we can take, I want this to be 4-letter basically. This la, for 3-letter, what is this? Because if you add say M here, you're going to have ram, but we want to make a 4-letter word. So I can say, let's look for what to pick from here. We take it the other way around. So if we decide to pick this, okay, maybe we turn it the other way round. Let's see what we're gonna have. Like red, okay, red. And if it was to be the normal way, which is the one on the board, this is what we're gonna have again. Okay, and again, let's work with something else. We have, this is FU, which is full sound. Full, the full sound. Okay, if I choose to add double L here, it is what? Full. Okay, like full, something being full to the brim, like full content. But then if I choose to add what should we add from here, or should we go the other way around, like changing to the other way around? So let's look for what we change to. Let's look for a particular sound to change. So we are going to get something here. Okay, if I still put N to this, I'm going to have fun. Like this is fun. For the N sound, fun. And okay, so please make sure to subscribe so you got to know whenever I post a new video. So you got to follow me and follow the lesson step by step. Okay, this is it for today. Okay, we're gonna be stopping here, guys. So we're gonna be continuing from the next lesson. We'll continue from here when we actually stop in the next lesson. And before I go, please make sure to subscribe so you got to know whenever I post a new video. So you got to follow me and follow the lesson step by step. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Stick around. See you on my next video. Bye for now.